Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how we can do data engineering tasks using LLMs. And as always, I will be using open source LLMs. This time I am using Mistral 7, and the whole program will be executed on my local machine, which is having no GPU and only 16 GB of RAM. So let's start with the demo. But before that, if you like the content of my channel, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's quickly dive into the demo of this. Over here, first of all, we have to upload a data file. I'm picking up this employee file. Let me show you the employee file before. So we have employee ID, first name, last name, phone number, and few other informations along with SSN, nationality, and all these. We'll be uploading this file and then try to do data engineering tasks on this file. Let's go back to the user interface, and over here I'm asking it to split the salary column as 10% HRA, 70% basic, and 20% allowance. So here is the output. Over here we can see it has returned the data frame from our uploaded file, and if we go to the end, we will see that 3 new columns have been added which was not part of the file. Over here we have HRA, which is 10%, basic, which is 70% of the salary, and allowance is 20% of the salary. Let's put up another question. Here we will ask it to mask the SSN number that is there in the data. If you see over here, we have the SSN number, and it is a private information, so we want the tool to mask it and leaving the last 4 digit. So we have put it like star and then 1234. Let's see what it does. So here is the output. We can see the SSN number as we have requested. Leaving the last 4 digit, it has masked the rest. So this is a very useful tool, and we can call it a data engineering chatbot. So that's it with the demo. Let's start understanding the code behind it. So we have basically 2 files. One is for the user interface, and before we go into the details of the code is available on GitHub, and the link for the GitHub is available in my description of the video. You can check it out, you can try it on your own and do more things, and comment in the comment box what you have done, share it with others. So over here this is the standard Streamlit code for creating the chat interface. We are asking to this section is to upload the file. So the uploaded file is saved in the input folder. After that we are just passing so I have imported the main file from which is this one. I will come to it later. And over here I had a function data chat, or rather class data chat, within which I have another function which I am calling over here, right here. So I'm calling it with the path of the file that the user is uploading. Now coming to the main file, over here we are having the class data chat, within which we have the initial function, which is nothing but to define the model name and the model parameters like the temperature or the context length and all this. Then we have the prompt. So we have the instructions defined over here, what the large language model is supposed to do. And after that, with the user question, we are putting it to the LLM, and the response that we get is not exactly, let me show you, is in the format which can be utilized. So this is something that we get, or maybe in the previous one, the queries that we put, this is something. So we have quite a few things mentioned apart from the code. So we need to extract the code and execute exactly. So for that, we have this function where based on this pattern, we are extracting the code. And after that, we are, if you see, we are executing the code. We are doing a fixing of the format of the code using autopay8, which is a fixer in Python, and then we are executing the code. This way we are uploading, we are operating on the data frame that is captured from the input data file. Quite straightforward and easy to implement. So let us know what you try, what you do with this approach, or what else you can find out. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.